Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. These cards are for your relationship, and I'll be picking three more cards for your career situation, guys. So these are for your career situation and one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So that is your oracle guidance. So we will open these cards now, guys. Virgos. So we have 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and 6 of Swords. So these are for your general energies. So in your situation, Virgos, you are helping people, taking their support and guidance maybe. So today it may be in your career or personal life, you are inviting their suggestions or help. It may be a financial help for some of you, or it may be a verbal help, maybe their kind words or supporting words or their suggestions on certain things. And maybe you are facing some troubles or some difficult situation which needs an immediate decision. So you are thinking which way to go and what you need to do today. So maybe for some of you, you are asking people, your friends or family or this person you love, what you need to do. It may be an important decision in your life or in your career situation, guys. And I also see that your difficulties are coming to an end, guys. Maybe some troubles in your situation is coming to an end today. So you may feel happy that things are going in such a way. Maybe certain areas of your career, or it may be in your personal life, bit by bit the situation is changing, something taking you towards something good. So there are people helping you, working with you, maybe in your career or in your personal life. People you love, people have that true concern on you. So they are here to help you and support you, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have plans to travel to a different place or a different town for work, or it may be just you are shifting your residence, some kind of move. That is also what I see. So maybe you may be taking suggestions for that also, guys. That is what I see, guys. Virgos with these cards. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship first. So we have the Emperor in reverse, 8 of Swords in reverse, and Page of Swords. So with these cards in your situation, guys, in your relationship, you are facing some difficulties. Maybe we were seeing some kind of a move to a different place. Maybe this person is moving away from you, or you are moving away from them. So this may be for your career. Some opportunities have come and you're making this move, or this has come up suddenly, this offer or opportunity, and you're really stressed because you are forced to move away from this person you love. So it is really stressing, really difficult for you, guys. And there are some confusions you are having. Maybe because of that you don't know which way to decide, what to decide today. So their sudden move may be the reason it's very difficult for you to adjust to the fact that this person will no longer be there with you. So be close to you. So some kind of confusions and stress because of that situation, guys. And I also see that this person is also not listening to you. So this may be your energy or their energy. So um they are really good. They are really honest and they are trustworthy, but they have their own ideas and views, and they are what to say, unable to listen to you guys. So they want to do what they like to do in life. So this person is set, so their mind is set on something. So maybe on their career some improvements they need to do, or they need to achieve something before having this deep meaningful relationship with you. So they are not ready to give up this opportunity in their career. So that may be the reason they are moving away, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy, guys, Virgos. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. So it is Star, Queen of Cups, and Five of Cups in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, you may be facing some pressure or some difficulties in your situation. Maybe things are not going well, as you know. Maybe there is a huge competition, so you need to work hard, you need to strive hard, and that is what you are doing today. So things are really difficult for you, and you are pressured in unbelievable ways. You are forced to take up something. So there may be some what to say, some projects or something that has come up all of a sudden. There may be some news in your career situation, guys. For most of you it may be something good, guys. You need not worry. So it may be a good news, maybe a promotion or a new opportunity coming in your situation, Virgos. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. It is Hematite. So this crystal spirit card, it stands for being practical, having that balance and calm. So just like the cards we got, guys, you are in some kind of confusion, and this card is suggesting us to be patient, have that calmness, be composed. So when we are quiet, when we are no matter what our situation is, when we are quiet, we will get clarity in our mind, guys. So in our situation, whatever we need to do, if we want that clarity and peace of mind, we have to be quiet, have that calm and composed attitude today, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.